Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on Healthy Living with Jess, we will be discussing the essential oils Onguard. What is Onguard? Get into this video. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can get updates on every time I do a video. Yeah. Hey you guys, so I'm a Doterra wellness advocate, and as a Doterra wellness advocate, that's a lot to say, I'm just passionate about health and wellness and caring for people. So today I'm going to be discussing the therapeutic benefits of the Doterra essential oil called Onguard Protective Blend. And if anybody wanted to know what Doterra means gift of the earth. So I love that name because all of the essential oils are from the earth. It's nothing chemical. Everything is from the earth, from plants. So yeah, let's get right into Onguard. Okay, so Onguard is advertised as the protective blend. It can be used to support the immune system. It contains blends of 5 essential oils, including wild orange peel, clove bud, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, and rosemary leaf. The benefits of Onguard, and I really like Onguard, but the benefits of Onguard is to support and help with your healthy immune system and cardiovascular function. Oh, I can't get those words out. Doterra claims that Onguard promotes healthy circulation when ingested and gives off energizing scents when diffused. I love this. Everything that they're claiming, I can attest to, is true for me. And my family. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about some of the research they did. In 2017, they did a study. In this study, the Doterra employees found that Onguard reduced inflammatory markers in the human cells. So that was really good. It indicated that the oil blend may promote wound healing as well as immune function. And then according to the 2010 study, Onguard blend may be effective in helping treat and control the flu virus. So we started using this back in, it had to be around 2013, 2014, around that time. And we used it, we kept it in stock. I kept diffusing it in the house. And I had the beadlets. I never had this is my first time buying the washing powders. And I always had the hand sanitizer. So we keep this in our house, especially during the flu season and the cold season. So how to use Onguard? You can ingest it, you can diffuse it, like I said before. You can apply it on your skin. You can use it as household cleaners. And they actually have a cleaner for Onguard. And if you're going to take it, you take 4 fluid ounces and dilute it by water. I'm going to attach in the information down below a link so that you guys can see exactly everything on Onguard, all the information that I found on Onguard to tell you guys. So let me show you the Onguard products that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this Doterra Onguard laundry detergent and why I decided to use it for to wash my children's mask and my mask, as well as my husband's. So it's non-toxic, it's environmentally friendly. I love that it uses natural sulfates and enzymes and essential oils, all of that stuff. I love that it's 6 times concentrated, so that's a plus for me because I make sure I wash their masks every day since they're back in school now. On the back, I'm just showing you guys some of the ingredients and some of the things it's saying, some of the basic things that I just said. I also like that it shows you that it has 10 milliliters of the Onguard essential oils in every bottle, so that's cool to know. And I like that it's good for conventional washers and front loaders. So that's perfect. So no matter what washer you have, that's a good product to use. I love it. Okay, now I'm showing you guys about the protective blend. The Onguard, I diffuse it. I put it in a capsule for my kids to take. I make it in tea. I love this Onguard. I love that I can topical, aromatic. This is a perfect thing to have. I'm gonna go over and show you guys the hand sanitizer. This is the mist. Since my kids are back in school, each one of them carry a little bottle of sanitizer with them. in their backpack. And I keep one in my purse and in the diaper bag. And then these are the Onguard beadlets that we use to protect us. In the morning, I give my boys the beadlets to take, and it's just like a little ball. I should have showed you guys that. Maybe I'll put a picture in there later to show you guys a little ball. So that's the whole line of Onguard. They actually have a capsule of it, but I just don't have it. And so use this. So I put my mask in there, all of our masks. Close this up. We're gonna put this in the main wash compartment. And then I'm gonna turn this over to download. If you guys have any questions about Doterra Onguard or any other essential oils and you'd like to see me do a video on, you guys can always contact me. I'm actually going to put in the description below a link to order Onguard if you would like to from my site. And also leave me a message if you would like to know any more information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative for you. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was very informative for you guys. Please connect with me on all of my social media at Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at healthylivingwithjes. I hope to see and hear from you guys soon.